guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. The end is near. The walls are closing in on Mam Zobe. With her biggest secret exposed, the council takes matters into their own hands, making a tough decision regarding the fate as they seek justice for Kwazi Mtembu's death. In a desperate move, Mamzobe decides to go into hiding, running from her sins. Could this be the fall of the Mamzobe, or is the beginning of her terror? Watch the Umkoka the Cast finale on the 28th February 2025 on Mzansi Magic. Thank you guys for watching.